partly cloudy. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Culpeper, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Warrenton, Bealton, Opal, Remington, Catlett, Calverton, Midland, Elkwood, Catalpa, Brandy Station, Auburn, Lois, Casanova, Jeffersonton, Turnbull, Cordova, Ricksville, Morrisville, and Alanthus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.